With the aid of this display panel, we intend to show you how easy Wepps is to install and to operate on board an aircraft. As you can see, we have the representation of a 737 aircraft with the cockpit switch that is currently installed on the aircraft, which will not change, and representation of all the emergency light locations for the purposes of this display. These are the Wepps LEUs, the battery modules. As you can see, we have given you ideas of where they are presently located on the aircraft. These battery modules use the same connectors and the same fixing areas as currently on board the aircraft today for the present battery modules. Installation consists literally of swapping out the old batteries and swapping in the new ones. In addition to the battery modules, we also have this diagnostic panel that is mounted towards the front galley of the aircraft in a typical installation, and we're utilising some of the empty pins on the connector of the first battery module to power and supply the data to the diagnostic panel. Presently today on board the aircraft, a daily check-off of the emergency lighting is carried out by physically switching on the lights and walking around the aircraft and counting any 10% rules and any missing lights that would contravene the minimum equipment list on board the aircraft. With the Wepps system, this whole procedure is automated. Using the Wepps diagnostic panel, we're now going to demonstrate that all of the emergency lighting system is working correctly as it should do. So by pressing the hand and the tick button, in under 10 seconds we have our detailed feedback as to the status of the emergency lighting system. As you can see, we have a green light, meaning we have no failures. I'm now going to demonstrate a non-MEL critical fault by making this light here inoperative. As you can see, we now have the message maintain soon, along with a green light with an amber signal also. This means that we do meet the MEL, we can still fly safely, but there is some maintenance required on the emergency lighting at the next available opportunity. With Wepps, it's possible to press the down button and we'll now see that it's an IL light at a certain station number and that we've got a current low that needs rectifying. I'll now demonstrate to you an MEL critical fault. We've now knocked off this vertical exit identifier. We now have a red light with the message maintain now. And again, by pressing the down arrow, we can see that we've lost an exit identifier light and this blind bulbs are the problem. So by simply fixing all of the problems and running the test again, we'll now see that all of the lights are working and Wepps has given us a green light, meaning our system is okay and we have no problems.